That's why I use these focal chains. And my focal chains are magnetic, so they come off, they connect on the side, and then they're just there for my use. So I'm going to pull it over to the side. Now, I'll do a couple things to confirm my alignment, right? So let's go ahead and push this back into place, right? Now that I'm sure that I have my alignment. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check and see if my what my boundary looks like. So I have a square or a rectangle on my canvas for light burn. And what I'm doing here is I'm confirming that this looks square. So as I look at this, I'm looking at where it's at, and I'm really happy with this. Now, we also have these little preview shields, right? You can see that right there. So that's our preview shield. Let's flip it the other way. Right, so that's our preview shield. And I can actually put this on top as well to see if things look square or not. And it makes it really, really pop. This works both with the Howation and then also works with the Omni, obviously. So now that I have that and I see it, I'm going to do one more check. And the next check is I have a vertical line that I'll use for alignment as well. I'm going to check and see if that looks like it's straight. And what I'm looking for is how it's coming straight through to make sure that it looks like it's aligned. Now, next step for me is I'm now going to look at the image, right? And I only do this when I'm doing my initial, I would say, alignment, right? So I can see it right there, and I can see everything looks good, right? If I put this on top of it, I can see that that looks great. I can also, if I want to, is I can go ahead and actually frame everything individually, and you can see where things are going to go. So I can see where the actual two logos go on each side, and I can see how things are looking there, and it looks good. So now I'm pretty square and everything looks good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the actual engrave.